The environment in Sheffield, hundreds of air pollution monitors have been installed after the city was found to have more than double the legal limit of dangerous particles. That's the stuff that can cause health problems and respiratory illnesses such as asthma and bronchitis.
Academics from the University of Sheffield have placed more than 250 of the sensors around the city, and it's hoped that the information gathered will encourage members of the public to try to change their habits. Mark Ansell has the story.
Air pollution is the hidden killer that surrounds our day-to-day lives. In Sheffield, more than 250 air quality monitors have been installed by the University of Sheffield's Urban Flows Observatory. Many of them cost just £30 each.
So we have installed the sensor now.
I'm quite worried about being so close to the ring road just because of the amount of cars on the road. I'm considering moving further afield. I want to help this project. I think it's an excellent idea to understand just how pollution is affecting the city.
Air pollution isn't visible, and our sole aim is to make the air pollution visible. And how are we going to do that? That's where we started off deploying monitors, and we are putting the data right onto the hands of people.
Sheffield Council has started a consultation on proposals for a clean air zone, which would mean operators of the most polluting buses, lorries and taxis being charged for entering the city centre.
19% of the vehicles, including the buses and the taxis, are responsible for 50% of the pollution. It makes sense to attack the problem on the most dirty vehicles that we've got on our roads.
The plan is that electric and hybrid vehicles won't be charged. This one from the university's project has pollution sensors on board. So Steve, what have we got in here?
So these are the gas analysers and the particulates monitor.
What can we do to improve air quality? Turn off our engines when we're waiting in traffic?
Don't use them if you don't need to, especially if you're doing school runs, don't idle your engines and that kind of thing.
I know we can't see the air pollution around us, but these monitors show that in Sheffield in April this year, the level of air pollution was more than double the legal limit. That's 23.15 micrograms per cubic metre of dust particles. I realise that sounds technical, but the reality is it's a killer. And the council estimates that in Sheffield, around 500 people die every year because of air pollution. The researchers believe that now we're able to monitor the amount of pollution around us, we're more likely to change our habits. Mark Ansell, BBC Look North, Sheffield.